Good afternoon, guys. Guys, my voice is audible or not?
Yes, your voice is audible. Good afternoon.
You are clearly audible.
Okay. Okay. Today, we're going to see about this Azure deployment planner. In this last time, I think so. This topic is missed. So I just take this topic to run the Azure ASR deployment planner. Today's topic. Okay, guys, this ASR deployment planner is actually contain the three phases. One is a profiling, another one is report generation, and another one is output. Why we are doing this
Sir,
means,
sorry, hello.
yeah, yeah, tell me.
Sir, your screen is stuck in between in my system. Can you share your screen again?
Okay. Now it's visible.
It's showing that Teams only right now.
What?
Teams.
Teams only. For everyone showing the same, or else
Okay, wait,
once you only face.
No, no.
I'll disconnect
Internet is
and
not
connect
working, I
again,
think.
I think.
Yeah, okay. Will you and connect again? Okay. Today's topic is a deployment planner. This Hyper-V we're going to execute these things. This topic contains mainly of three steps. One is the profiling, and another one is the report generation, and another one is the output. Actually, why we are doing this means we want to get about all those things. What about the storage and what's the VM networking type and everything about that system. We need we get a report. Then only we can, during this migration process or anything we don't, we can make that much level. If we need 500 GB, we going to migrate means that 500 GB it will be available in this target location. Then only we can make this operation very successfully. Else it showing some other errors, maybe data losses, or it's may cause due to the failure of migration. So for that, how can we going to deploy? We plan the using this deployment planner. In this deployment planner, this Azure part deployment planner has the three phases. One is the profiling, another one is the report generation, third one is getting output. Okay. Then this is just definition of this profiling. Just it's not affecting the performance. Just that's the same here also. They're saying just in this in the proper wordings. There here they're mentioned about this profiling. Profiling means like that. If you, for example, just say if they say Tushar profile means if you go to profile, whatever available, that's the same available in these things. That's why we are going to this, give the name. It's a profiling there. And like what kind of server and vCenter server, vSphere, anything exit about this VM, everything is collected. There's a report format. That's why it's give the profiling name. Then first step, we're going to download and extract the deployment planner. Just we go and just keep type in the Azure deployment planner. You can get in the extract the file. Else go with this link. You can get a direct from this Microsoft. It's redirecting to the Microsoft page, and directly from that site you can download these things. Then copy the file and pay. Zip file extract the zip file. Actually this the procedure is same. Just extract it, and you need to do some changes in that extracted file. Just here we are do the all those steps in this Windows 2012 server. Just step by step I am explaining now. 20 server, log into the 2012 server, then you can download this ASR deployment planner in the zip file format and extract it. Here this the step also mentioned in this pictorial format. See, this is a zip file. Here the extracted file. just we need to going to create the profile data. The just giving the same spelled without any changes. Just give this a piece capsule, whatever it's in this showing this video. Just do the same. Like create the profile data. If in some cases the profile data is already previously created, means in this package sometimes it's created means you don't need to create any profile data. This is the empty folder. Just you need to create inside this Azure deployment planner after extracted this. Then you can just go navigate to profile data. You need to create the empty text file, means notepad file. Just create that notepad file and give us a named as the server list.txt. This is the for name of this first one, and enter the host name, means Azure VM host name, this server list. What are the servers, how many servers we're going to just get the data, just giving those names. Here I'm giving VM test is my name of the machine, that's why I'm giving here, and save it. Then you can actually we going to create two things. One is in the server list, another one is the output list, means how many systems are available. Let's just giving the same. This is a vm list.txt. Then if you go to log in this ASR port, inside that for this you need to run this command for above getting this. If you want to get, just open this CMD, you can just first run this command, like ASR deployment and get list server name. Just you need to give this where the location is, location of the text file you contained, like above mentioned files. Then where the output file going to means save, like that thing you're going to give here. Then admin of the account password you need to give. Just run this command, you can get that. After that you need to enter the Hyper-V server password here. Here I'm going to enter my password. Then after that it's going to connect, it's showing some error. For that error, retrieving virtual machine following like this, no VM is found here, we're getting this error. For this error, to rectify this error, actually this error is why happen means first time I run this command and successfully get this VM. Then again I run this same file, means this same file I given this the same name I'm giving for the both input and output for those things. If do that some mistakes, means you're getting this error. If you first time you can run, means you definitely you get this these things. This is how much VM found, then summary of this list, all those things you can give during this location of input file and output file, this username, this should be we need to focus on those things. If you give those things correctly, definitely it will be login. After that you need to again enter the password for those things. For the profiling activities, it's showing this total virtual machine is found as one, then summary, and these all those things happen automatically. You no need to do any changes. First of all you want to check with this. Here you can get connected or not. This VM is connecting with the VM test is connected. Okay, fetching the list of virtual machine in these things, and number of virtual machine found, this number is mentioned here. I think so. It's now it's visible to you all. Then here, this is a final stage. After that, everything is happened. It's take nearly more than 40 minutes for these things to complete this profiling process. To complete, it's totally analyze. Here I mentioned nearly 30 minutes for this profile analyzing completed. It's take around 30 to 40 minutes. During that time, you don't close or close the window or power off. Nothing should be should not be happen to make sure this power connection and internet connectivity. It's take after 30 minutes, the profiling will be completed. You can get this message like profiling is completed at this time. For me, completed at this time. After that, this thing, then next step is come back again. Here we profiling is successfully completed. Then after the these are the some of these commands we need to run this in the CMT. For that generate report, profiling is completed, we need to now generate the report for those things, what the profiling is completed. We need to just give run these below mentioned command. Like you need to give the location of the profile data. Profile data is we already created here this profile data. We need to just copy this location and give here. Then after that, location of the VM text file and location of the this currency required currency, and region is whatever, just give East US or anything else. The subscription ID you going to give, go and copy the Azure portal and copy the subscription ID. If you see here below mentioned that, just go to the subscription and copy this ID and just paste here. Here I'm quoted some wordings like if you're getting this type of error, like after pasting this, if you're getting invalid argument subscription ID, for that those, if you get like that error, you need to run the these command below mentioned command. If you get the report, means fine, it's fine. If you did not get a report, it's sometimes the subscription ID is not taken. It's showing like the invalid subscription ID like that. For that, you need to go down and copy these commands, and you need to give this command and enter it. After that, you can in your location, means where the output location you're going to save, means like inside the profile data, we're going to give the I'm for my scenario, I'm giving inside this profile data, I give the output file. In that output file, you can find that Excel format. This Excel format, you can just we can see how many number of systems there, virtual machine there, means required Azure storages, and the required number of Azure core CPU level, and maximum frequency of copying speed, and everything are mentioned in this Excel sheet. Exactly they are mentioning. Here I did not fully copy and paste because this is a snap. That's why I'm just for the sample purpose, I'm just take the two snaps and giving those things here. I did not. I think two more snaps I missed here. I think so. These are the graphical manner representation of an bandwidth distribution, and and etc recommended initial replication. Some of those whatever things you needed, we can just use this information. For the more reference, you can go and just using this link, you can able to get more reference from these external websites. This is a Microsoft site, and another one, a YouTube video is added for those very detailly explain about that things, why we are going to use this like that. This YouTube video I'm attached to here. Then this is external link. How can to you need to more about know more about this deployment planner, means they are elaborate here. Guys, anybody doubt in this ASR deployment planner tool? Guys, anybody doubt?
No, Jagdish, it's clear.
Okay. Okay, guys, let's close this session.
Okay.
Okay, this record will be available in this Teams. If you have any doubts, just see the record again. And if you don't clear, means just ping me this Teams. I will be trying to help you solve this issue. Okay, guys. Okay, thank you. Bye.
Thank you so much, Jagdish.
Thank you.